You guys might recognize where I am right now, and you might not. If you think you know where I am, comment down below what you think. Oh yeah, if you haven't noticed already, I hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. I would have never dreamed of getting this many subscribers, and it's all because of you. You guys mean the most to me. I love to be able to help you play better in Minecraft, making content that makes you laugh. From the 2 short weeks of my time on YouTube, you guys have given me 1,000 subscribers. I can't even believe it. For my subscribers, thank you so much. I am going to be releasing some more tutorials and funny videos soon. I hope you enjoyed them. For those of you who haven't subscribed, please help you and me on your journey in Minecraft by subscribing. If you guys guessed the Wii Sports Island, then you were correct. That is where I am currently. Comment down below if you think this island is cool. I really like how the city is laid out and how close quarters it is. This bridge is also amazing. Thanks again and bye!